Dear Chartered Accountants, working professionals, and students in the domains of Indian auditing, accounting, and the tax and regulatory space, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing Chartered Accountant.
Daily news and updates for 20th December 2023. In a significant development, the Supreme Court has quashed a petition filed by authorities challenging a Kolkata High Court ruling. The High Court had determined that input tax credit or ITC to a buyer should not be denied under the goods and service tax regime solely on the grounds that the seller had not paid taxes unless a thorough investigation had been conducted. The Supreme Court's decision not to intervene in the matter has sparked a debate among experts about the potential precedent this could set for similar cases. The crux of the issue revolved around the department's demand to reverse ITC claim by Suncraft Energy Ltd as the GST payable by its supplier did not align with the relevant form. The High Court had emphasized that the denial of ITC to the company is not justified solely on the basis of the supplier's non-payment of tax unless there is a genuine difficulty in recovering taxes from the supplier. Ford Motor Company unexpectedly abandoned plans to sell its Tamil Nadu plant, its sole remaining factory site in the country, after finalizing a deal with the Sajjan Jindal-led JSW Group. The decision fueled speculation that the US company may be considering a re-entry into the world's third auto largest market after exiting over 2 years ago. The company's Marai based plant has been on the block after Ford got out of India amid mounting losses and the slowdown that gripped the passenger vehicle market after the COVID-19 pandemic in September 2021. Mumbai-based businessman Harihara Mahapatra and his wife Preeti will invest Rs 1,100 crore in SpiceJet for 19% stake in the company. Ares Opportunities Fund will hold 3% while Elara Capital will hold 8% after conversion of warrants. Last week, the cash-strapped airline announced that it got a lifeline as a clutch of funds and high-net-worth individuals will invest Rs 2,254 crore through the issue of up to 130 million convertible warrants and 320.8 million fresh equity shares. The airline said it will use these funds to pay statutory obligations such as TDS, GST, PF, settle past dues with creditors, unground its grounded planes and acquire new aircraft, pay for aviation turbine fuel, pay salaries to employees and for general corporate purposes. Private equity investor Bane Capital has entered into talks with Macquarie Capital to acquire a majority stake in Vibrant Energy, which provides green power to commercial and industrial units. The company is likely to fetch an equity value of around $200 million with an enterprise value of close to $500 million. Vibrant Energy, which primarily sells electricity to corporate and industrial customers, operates a renewable energy portfolio of 132 megawatts with an active pipeline of 3 gigawatts. The group develops open accessible renewable energy solutions in the wind and solar space for corporate customers. Reliance Industries Ltd has paid Rs 254 crore to Metro AG in the financial year ended September 2023 for using the German retailer's brand name in India after acquiring its wholesale chain in the country a year ago. Last December, Reliance Retail Ventures, a unit of Reliance Industries Ltd, bought Metro Cash and Carry India for a total cash consideration of Rs 2,850 crore. The deal included all 31 wholesale stores and the entire real estate portfolio of 6 store locations. The sale was completed in May 2023. The wholesale and retail giant said due to the increasing level of market consolidation, accelerated digitalization, and intense competition, Metro India's business is no longer aligned with its core growth strategy.
This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.